One of the things that I guess sets BlueTech Forum apart from some other events is that focus on dialogue and the diverse mix of people that we bring together.
It's a really impressive yet eclectic group of people.
You have a variety of folks that come from the utility, from industry, as well as water companies, water technology providers.
You have the intimate setting and you can really get into in-depth discussions with all the stakeholders in water.
It's the only conference that I know of where the plenary sessions are really designed around roundtable sessions that allows us to really get into intimate groups to really focus on what are their core issues in terms of driving smart water management.
A great group of innovative technology companies that are here talking about what's the latest and greatest and what's next and upcoming.
The BlueTech Forum is the best venue to talk about emerging technology in the water field.
As someone who's interested in systems thinking and the circular economy, actually understanding those things and who the experts are is a really useful thing to take away.
It's a way to network, to reconnect with people, and also to learn about the newer technologies.
In one place, we get an opportunity to really engage with upstart technology companies and also thought leaders in the private sector space.
It's a great mix of thought leadership discussions around topics that I think are very important.
The program is very unique. It's very, very interactive.
I'm impressed by the way the program has been put together.
Well, I've been impressed with the level of sort of expertise here around the tables and a very high level of discussion, looking at really quite radical ideas about how to rethink the way we currently use water.
Really what we hope is that people make meaningful connections that they can use to help advance their work collectively.
The BlueTech Forum has met and even exceeded my expectations because the people here are really the ones who are going to lead us into the next future of water systems.